Hi, Mike here at Trade Leisure. Today we've got this beautiful VW Transporter Highline, 150 PS, 6-speed manual with a Trek RV Infinity conversion. Absolutely lovely condition. We've got the rear leather upholstery in beautiful condition, 6-speed manual, Kenwood upgraded head unit, cruise control, aircon, heated windscreen, all the usual extras that you find in a Highline. This camper's got a hot water combined heating system, Webasto. Dometic fridge, twin burner hob, and the hot and cold water, and these beautiful Trek Infinity cabinets and worktop, absolutely stunning. LED lights, 3-seater Reimo sliding bed rail system, and a Reimo pop top with scenic canvas. Got the DRC alloy wheels in lovely condition. Underslung LPG gas store tank. I'll have a look in the back. It's got the underslung cold water tank with the Truma fill-up point, hot and cold shower point. Double swivel passenger seat. And a lock-8 table system neatly stowed away in the sliding door. If you've got any questions, please give us a call.